Hi everyone and welcome to Doodling Faith. It is Unfiltered Faith here and you are joining us for week 1 of our Acts of Kindness series, which is a summer-long challenge based around kindness. So we have collaborated with loads of people within the community for this series and we are super excited to bring you not 1 but 2 free printables this week. So the first one is by Hilary from Creative Faith & Co over in America, and she has created 2 digital downloads of artwork as well as a kindness calendar, and she has come up with 40 plus different acts of kindness that you can do with your friends, family, children, anybody in your life to help spread kindness within our community. So each of the different challenges are completely unique, and some of them are really lovely and quite easy to do. Others really challenge us as individuals to really step out of our boundaries. And do you know what? When we're at our limits, that's where God meets us and where God shows up. So I'm super excited. I'm probably going to cut all of mine out and randomize them, but you can do them in order if you want to. It's completely up to you. So I wanted to make my devotional very sparkly. I wanted to make it quite joyful and exciting and based around a party theme. I also had some embossing powders for my birthday, so I wanted to use those in my new devotional. So there's going to be a lot more devotional content in the later weeks. We've joined with different people from around the world to bring you devotional content on this, as well as myself and Doodling Bible, who will be hopping on and doing a few videos as well. So this week is all about setting up your devotional. Now, I recommend that you do this in advance, that you spend kind of an hour or 2 maybe just setting up the whole summer, and then that allows you to really spend time going deeper with the devotionals and allowing you to use those little kindness calendar prompts to go out and about and to bless other people. So to use embossing powder, if you don't know already, you use a Versamarker ink pad, which is like super wet but completely transparent, and it allows the powder to stick to it. Now once you've dusted the powder on top, you want to take a paintbrush and just knock off any powder that's in places where you don't want it, because once you hit this with a heat gun, that will make it permanent. So you can use a hairdryer, but a heat gun tends to work better unless you can get your hairdryer really hot. And you'll see that it starts to change colour and it starts to go really, really glossy. So this works by kind of creating a resist, so you can go back on top of this with some watercolours, or you could paint inside if you wanted to. And then just some normal stamps. I absolutely love these. These are from Tiger here in the UK. They are super cheap and I use them literally all of the time. Our second free printable is from Messy Faith, who are based in Northern Ireland, and she has created 2 different alphabets, so one in capitals and one in lowercase, as well as some word fetty based around the theme of kindness. And there are some really amazing words which I know I'm going to be reaching for, and I know that I'm going to be printing more than one. How do you get your hands on these? Our free printables are available to our email subscribers, and the link is in the description box below if you want to sign up and become a subscriber. But our printables are also available over on our Etsy shop if you would like to purchase them, and all of the proceeds from the purchase of our free printables for this series are going to go towards a charity called Acts of Kindness, who are based here in Redditch and support those in a disadvantaged position in their life. That might mean that they need food bank support, that might mean that they need help getting a job or help financially. But this charity is set up to do that, and they do an absolutely amazing job providing children with tons and tons of food, as well as families and kind of first line support within the community. So I think it's a really great opportunity to use maybe our coffee money or something that we would usually spend a few pounds on for the printables this series, and to just show our kindness towards some people who are really just serving the community. You can see here I'm just showing you a way that you can set up the inside. The card swipe technique is super easy and super quick. I have dried each of the pages in between, but nobody wants to sit and watch me dry pages. So I've just skipped past that, but you can go through the whole of your notebook or whatever, or you could even use a diary for this. That would be absolutely brilliant, and do kind of a faith planner type setup for this devotional. So I'm just going to take some time to pray for this series, and I hope that you will really enjoy it and be blessed by it. Father, thank you for this opportunity to really look into and delve deep into your kindness and what kindness means to us and how we can show kindness to the world around us. Help us to make kindness contagious, help people to see the kindness within us and to just see Christ. Amen. Last thing, you might have noticed that we've got some new music, and Chris Brown, one of our amazingly talented friends who plays guitar within our church, wanted to bless us again with some new music. So thank you so much, Chris. It is so incredibly kind, and we are really, really thankful. I'm sure the rest of the community is. So if you want to comment below and say how grateful you are and how awesome this music is, then don't forget to hit the comment button, and we love to hear from you. Take care. Bye-bye. God bless.